Hi, I'm Morgan, a pediatric nurse, mom of two, and early childhood development expert. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of outdoor play for young children. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions for me. Did you know that outdoor play is crucial for a child's development? Playing outside provides a wide range of physical, cognitive, and emotional benefits. Here are some of the reasons why outdoor play is so important. Reason number one is physical development. Firstly, outdoor play promotes physical development. It helps children develop their gross motor skills such as running, jumping, and climbing. Outdoor play also encourages children to explore their environment and engage in activities like digging, throwing, and catching, which help develop their hand-eye coordination. Reason number two is cognitive development. Secondly, outdoor play supports cognitive development. Being outside in nature stimulates the senses and encourages exploration and problem solving. Children who spend time outside are more likely to be curious, creative, and independent thinkers. And it's never too early to get that outdoor time. We really recommend outdoor time for about 20 minutes a day, even for newborns. This helps their sensory system, and it can even promote them sleeping better at night. So it's never too early to get some outdoor time for baby. Reason number three is emotional development. Outdoor play promotes emotional development. Being outside in nature helps children reduce their stress levels and anxiety. It also promotes positive social interactions and helps children develop empathy and emotional intelligence. And this really comes into play when your child is able to play with other children outside. So even just walking to a local park and letting them play and interact with other children is so beneficial for their development. So now that we discussed the benefits of outdoor play, here are some great tips for you for getting your child outside and engaged in outdoor activities. My first tip for you is to create a safe outdoor play space. You're going to want to make sure the area is free of hazards and provides adequate shade for your child and that you have adequate hydration for them during hotter weather. And you're going to want to supervise your child at all times when they're playing outside. My second tip for you is to encourage exploration and discovery. Provide materials like magnifying glasses and binoculars to encourage children to explore their environment. And both of these items let your child have open-ended play. And what I mean by that is they can use their imaginations. There's not just one way to play with a magnifying glass. I also really like bubbles. Playing with bubbles with your child outside can even help promote their language development. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you can see short videos I make, and I actually made one on playing with bubbles to promote language development for your child. So make sure to check it out. And my third tip for you is to incorporate physical activity when you're outside. Set up activities like obstacle courses for an older child, ball games, and bike riding to help develop those gross motor skills. And when I say bike riding, I really love balance bikes. I'll link them down below for you. It's something that you can use instead of a tricycle. It helps your child develop their balance, and they can actually skip a tricycle altogether. Now, you're going to want to make sure they're supervised and wearing a helmet and appropriate safety gear, but using a balance bike and learning how to ride a bike on a balance bike first, like one I'll link down below for you, actually can help them go straight into riding a bike as they get older. And it really helps with their balance skills and their gross motor skills, so I cannot recommend them enough. My fourth and final tip is to join in on the fun with your child. Spend time outside with your child and participate in outdoor activities together. This will not only promote bonding between the two of you, but it also encourages your child to try new things. And you are your child's favorite person, so the more they see you doing something and enjoying it, the more they will do it and enjoy it. So it really can just be what you're willing to put into it is a lot of what you're going to get out of it. So the more you're going to do this stuff with them and experience it with them and show them how to have fun outside, the more fun they are going to have outside. There's also really great local play groups that meet outside that you can look into, or even just going to a local park. Remember, outdoor play promotes physical, cognitive, and emotional development, so make sure your child gets plenty of time outside. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you in the next video.